this tough period of pandemic. How many of you want to be healthy and happy? I'm sure all of us. Great, thank you. I am Dr. Rashmi. Welcome to Fitter Body Leads to Fitter Mind and Happy You. Let's understand when self love is so important, why it is so difficult for you to love yourself. Self love is difficult because we live in a world where it is seen as a negative thing to embrace yourself. People look down on each other for showing the smallest appreciation for your own abilities. That has lasting impact on one another. Especially those who grew up in the household that lacked love or in which love was waxed and waned. Loving yourself will take a lot of effort. Some people also equate self love with being selfish. With this belief, it will be tough on anybody to love themselves. When you think this way, it becomes hard to take good care of yourself. So, deleting this limited belief from your mind will always help you to love yourself better. But you can also create a new belief that echoes in your ears saying, I like myself and it's okay to put my needs first. And repeat this often so that you will be able to come out of the limited belief that you had. You cannot give something that you don't have for yourself. So that is the main reason that you have to start loving yourself first so that you will be able to give it to many more around you. So the good news is when you love yourself fully, you feed your soul and become the highest version of yourself. Don't you think that's important? Yes. So start loving yourself. Let's understand why you need self-love. So self-love is the gift that you give it to yourself rather than expecting from other people so that you go on getting whatever you need. Self-love allows you to fill in gaps external sources of love may leave. That means that you have so many expectations from other people around you to love you more. But when you have self-love, these gaps are filled by you. And there's nobody better than you to satisfy your own needs. And self-love motivates you to make healthy choices in life. This way you will be able to be healthy and happy. Self-love is important when it comes to setting boundaries in relationships. Because it so happens we are letting the same people exploit you in the belief that my love comes from that person. So when you have enough self-love for yourself, you will eliminate toxic relationships in your life. Self-love drastically improves your ability to be successful at anything. Because you are growing from inside out. When you yourself are complete within you, then expectation from around you comes down. So you will be able to focus on what you actually want to do. This will also help you to be more successful. So when you have enough self-love, you will also figure out what is good for you and what is not. So you will be able to ask for something that you need rather than running behind something which is not helping you in any way. Self love and alone time are essential for having a healthy relationships, and it prevents burnout. And self love will help you to treat yourself well, not only by yourself, by also people around you. A conscious choice to love and accept yourself can change your life for better. These are the reasons why you need self love.